God damn it, dude. I should have waited like 10 minutes. Mistakes were made. Someone's gonna call him out.
안녕하세요.
Hi.
I mean, we'll figure out if he's actually cheating really soon. I'm not gonna say anything.
야, 우리 63이 있어. 이겼어 이거. 꽤 터졌네.
What is that, like, vibration in the background? Oh my god. That's hardcore. Seagull, what server are you on? Any Korea? What do you think? Let's be honest here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Anyway, Chastise, Cutie. Resub for 7 months. Basic, sorry, what's up, Basic? Supporter for the win. Resub for 8 months. Hey, supporter. Pat, resub for 6 months. The Doc. Wait, we're actually playing the game here. I should probably focus. Glad he didn't nade himself. That would have made it much more annoying to kill him. Oh shit, no health back! Made a mistake! Roll! God. Thank God he just wanted to punch.
Taking the objective.
Alright, this is where we see. Are you actually aimbotting, Zarya? Yeah, you know, guys, I think that's very legitimate tracking and completely normal, not at all inhuman. At least he's only playing Zarya, so that means like I'm gonna die instantly if I go near him. Kill the cheater first! Wait. This is... Here we go. It's okay. There's a maximum amount of damage he can put out. They're like asking me. It's like, you don't need to ask, man. It's that obvious. Kill the aimbotter. Stop healing, Amanda. Damn it. That Genji was like 1 bar too.
My ultimate is charging.
You know what I should have done when the Zarya's in the black hole? I should have sat behind him and deflected the Ana, so that way the Ana couldn't heal him and hope that my team kills him. Cheater first. I see an Ana. I don't know if I can get to him though. They're all really far away. But I had to kill the aimbotter first. Oh shit, I gotta get this point. Don't worry, that guy went AFK to type. He thought the game was over. It's him! Very legitimate tracking. Very legitimate. Thank God he's only playing Zarya. If he was playing like Bastion or like 76 or just... Not a non-reg there, I was a little worried. Chop the cheater first! Oh, I should have deflected for... he still would have killed me with dash damage. Never mind. I did take off one cap of health.
I am taking the objective. Reinforce this position.
I should have ran forward towards that and deflected. I'm so bad. If I did a left click and got double headshot, I would have killed him. Also, if I held the E more, it would have been fucking... God. We lose. I should have won that 1v1. Or deflected the black hole. One of those two.
First round lost. Score 0-1.
Alright, how do we stop an aimbotting Zarya? I mean, playing Genji and killing his whole team's a good strat. But I feel like there's gotta be something better.
I do not trust this only. I do not like this place.
I don't know what I was expecting when I talked to him in English, though.
One. Round 2. Capture the objective.
Oh, yeah!
Is he playing Zarya still? Looks like it. Is Anna playing back? Can I go harass him right now?
The objective is
I'm really bad. I should have killed that guy left center. Whoops. You want they force draw this time? Because it's King of the Hill, you can't force a draw. Or they have no conscience. Ooh! So, oh, I'm fucked. Bye, team.
Let's get them off our objective.
Wait, why was the Ana flanking his own team anyway? Because the rest of the team came out that side, and then the Ana came out the opposite. Who knows? I'm about to get Reinholter from behind here. A little worried. Just run away, Lucio. Just run. I am bad. I could have killed that guy. I should have timed my deflect sooner. I could have blocked 2 sword hits instead of 1. Or maybe if I had just committed with Lucio.
Stand with me.
Oh, yeah! Gonna make you feel better.
Okay, my team's all dead. This ain't good.
I am repaired.
He still has Ariel tier 2, doesn't he? It's him! I should have gone for the cheater first. Oh, rolled. Get in there, Reaper. That was a nice Arya shield.
Time to accelerate.
Oh god! Thank god. We're alive.
My ultimate is ready.
He still has Earth Shatter here, doesn't he? I gotta wait this out. I think he has Earth Shatter. I really want him to use it before I go in. Okay, I gotta go now. There it is. I knew I should have gone inside.
Round 2 lost. Score 0-2.
It's an easier way to stop an aimbotter. I feel like Reinhardt Bastion's an easier way to stop it. Music fan 25 thing for 250 donation. I'm failing to carry them. Thanks. Ants, reset for 4 months. Poppy, reset for 3 months. Lethal, donating $10 to quick fashion. What's the position of your arm on the table with the mice? I mean, I have an arm rest, so that's equal length with, or equal height with the table. So it kind of sits in the back. How do I reflect that and still take damage? I just deflected that and took damage too. You can't, it's like I deflected 2 times back to back and took damage, and I deflected that Genji perfectly on my screen. On his screen, he shot, I don't even know what happened there. Why are you here? He can actually 1v1 me. Well, not if he goes like that. Does he have flashbang up? Doesn't matter, I guess. Kill the cheater!
Understood.
Oh, man, I'm dead. That's what I get for reading chat. I thought the fight was over, man. But thank you, Leaf, for $10 donation. Fire Fist, 3 sub for 3 months. Thank you, Fire Fist. Tiny Pickle. This will be interesting. Probably dead. Oh. Oh, he actually took the big pack. That's not good. I might be dead. Yep. I should have dashed towards the enemy big pack instead because I knew the Genji was on that side. We kill him? Who was that? Damn it.
Fire at will.
My ultimate is almost ready.
We can actually just blow this guy up. Oh, is he just going up because he knows that they have a cheater on their team or something? Should I make it easier? He's just sitting there emoting. But Tiny Pickle donating $2 and says, "Holy crap, it's been so long since you left this for all the big leagues. Feels bad, man. Once been new since, haven't kept up. Why are you in Korea? How was E-League?" E-League was amazing. So I was at... God, it's been like a really long month of tournaments. It's like a month and a half now at this point. So basically we had E-League, which was 2 weeks long? It was a week of the extra tournament, but we went there a week early. And then... after that, we went to China for 2 weeks, and I couldn't stream from China. And then from China, I went to Korea for 4 days or 5 days for our first Apex match. And then after that, I went to BlizzCon. Oh, I made a mistake. God damn it. And then from BlizzCon, I went back to Korea, and now I'm here.
Round 3, 1.
Oh, they didn't even get on point. That makes it easy.
Score 1-2.
So anyway, I wasn't able to stream from China, and I wasn't able to stream from the World Cup stuff, which was 4 weeks in total, and then all the travel, so it's been like a month since I've streamed. Sorry. Also, Jackal resubbed for a year. He says, "Holy shit, I've been subbed for a year. Let's see if you still remember how to pronounce my name, Seagull." I remember, man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round
Why is your mic like this? I broke my mic when I was in China, and then I kind of haven't gotten one since because I haven't been able to stream. Not sure how long it'll be in Korea for. I want to deflect a fire strike really bad right now. He didn't throw it at me though. That Zarya's weak. How weak is this Zarya though? That's a real question. Not weak enough. He's actually grabbing a pack. Should kill this Genji. This guy's Genji's PvE. Or maybe I'll just miss every shot. That also works. It's him.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Oh my god. Here he comes. I missed my right click dash. I fucked it. I could have potentially killed him. Oh well. At least I got the Zarya first, so that way he doesn't aimbot our team down. So Sarah Lit, thank you for subscribing. Candid Crent Drape for 11 months says welcome back. Thank you, Candid. Defiance for 13 months says who's this? What's up, Defiance? Just another memer. Oh god. Ooh, I like that ult. You got Lucy ulted. I like this. I don't think I'll live, but we'll see. Oh, maybe I will.
My ultimate is ready.
My My ultimate is charged.
My blade is ready to be unleashed.
It's him! At least he's right clicking, that's a mistake. As long as I kill that Zarya, I'm happy. What? Guess he was that weak?
Ultimate is charging.
He doesn't have the ammo to kill us both! Take him out! Reaper, take him out! Coming, Reaper! Oh wow, you 1v1'd him, nice.
Team kill. Score 2-2.
Also, Hamfist Jones for 6 months. Thank you, Hamfist Jones. Days for 2 months, or $2 is just become a Hanzo gun, put a scatter with the sun don't shine equals dead Zarya. I could, but I'm not. I'm not that consistent. Although maybe I could do that. No music? Yeah, I think I turn it off in a second. Let me put it back on for streaming. Boom. Fancy. Also, CTH Reddit subscribe. Thank you, CTH. DH3014 for 5 months. Since it's been so long. It has been a while, DH. Honestly, a month is like feels like a year in internet time.
An excellent
The moment I heard those heals, I knew. That's not Zarya though. That's not the aimbotter. Oh god, he knows! He wants me, dude! Did you see this Zarya just run through my team? Just like, he just went straight for me? That's terrifying.
I'm on fire.
My ultimate is charging.
Have you played Sombra on stream yet? No, I haven't. We have a match in OGN on Monday, so, What? Why are you here? Not like this! Not like this! God damn it. I got baited.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Raising the volume.
Okay, where is this Zarya? He died first.
Greetings.
What's up, Reaper?
Nano boost is charging.
Do a little dance. He says, we can win! Fuck yeah, we can.
Hello.
Healing enough.
Oh god! He's right clicking. He's trying to like hide it or something now. It's too late, I've seen everything.
Hold up now.
Thanks, Zarya. I missed my entire combo and it almost exploded, but hey, at least Zarya's got my back.
My ultimate is charging.
I'm gonna lose a 1v1 to lose. I better run away.
Up the volume.
That guy put me like 80 HP in 1 second. He's hitting his headshots. Zarya has ult here, doesn't she? I'm not gonna ult or anything, we're just gonna lose this fight.
The objective is under attack.
Anyway, Jake has subscribed. Nerds are heroes. Subscribe. Bob Law Claw.
My ultimate
Wait,
is
Bob
charging.
Lob Claw has just subscribed. Thank you, Bob Lob. Also, Seba, doing $5 says, I feel I'm going to play Heroes of the Storm because new Genji skin, Resident Sleeper. I think I like those cross-game promotions. Actually, Heroes of the Storm isn't really, like, people say it's bad, but I actually like the game decent amount.
Огонь по готовности!
Okay, there's Lucio. You can do this. Not sure if they all gave up or letting us. I don't even know. I mean, that guy's the last one alive anyway.
Play of the match.
Огонь по готовности!
Report Zarya. Seems accurate.
Shiny.
We're climbing the ranks.
Shiny.
They're like asking me. It's like, you don't need to ask, man. What's that obvious?
Drop the beat.
Kill the aimbotter. Stop healing, Amanda. Damn it. That Genji was like 1 bar too.
My ultimate is charging.
You know what I should have done when the Zarya's in the black hole? I should have sat behind him and deflected the Ana, so that way the Ana couldn't heal him and hope that my team kills him. Cheater first. I see an Ana. I don't know if I can get to him though. Like they're all really far away. But I had to kill the aimbotter first. Oh shit, I gotta get this point. Don't worry, that guy went AFK to type. He thought the game was over. It's him! Very legitimate tracking. Very legitimate. Thank God he's only playing Zarya. If he was playing like Bastion or like 76 or just... I had a non-reg there, I was a little worried. Chop the cheater first! Oh shit, no health back! Made a mistake! Roll! God. Thank God he just wanted to punch.
Taking the objective.
Alright, this is where we see. Are you actually aimbotting Zarya? Yeah, you know guys, I think that's very legitimate tracking and completely normal, not at all inhuman. least he's only playing Zarya, so that means like I'm gonna die instantly if I go near him.
Oh, let's break it.
Kill the cheater first! Wait. This is... Here we go. It's okay. There's a maximum amount of damage he can put out.
Traveling to Nepal.
God damn it, dude. I should have waited like 10 minutes. Mistakes were made.
Prepare to attack.
Someone's gonna call him out.
안녕하세요.
I
I mean, we'll figure out if he's actually cheating really soon. I'm not gonna say anything.
야, 우리 63이 있어. 이겼어, 이거. 껴 터졌네.
What is that, like,
어,
vibration in the background? Oh my god. That's hardcore.
Yeah, let's pick it up.
묘 일라스티즈.
Seagull, what's server you on? Any of Korea?
Sets my soul.
What do you think? Let's be honest here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Anyway, Chastise, Cutie. Resub for 7 months. Basic, sorry, what's up, Basic? Supporter for the win. Resub for 8 months. Hey, supporter. Pat, resub for 6 months. The Doc. Wait, we're actually playing the game here. I should probably focus.
The objective is now double kill.
Glad he didn't nade himself. That would have made it much more annoying to kill him. Is he playing Zarya still? Looks like it. Is Anna playing back? Can I go harass him right now?
The objective is
I'm really bad. I should have killed that guy left center. Whoops. You know what, they force draw this time? Because it's King of the Hill, you can't force a draw. Or they have no conscience. Oh! Oh, I'm fucked. Bye, team.
Let's get them off roster.
Wait, why was the Anna flanking his own team anyway? Because the rest of the team came out that side, and the Anna came out the opposite. Who knows? I'm about to get Ryan ulted from behind here. A little worried. Just run away, Lucio. Just run. I am bad. I could have killed that guy. I should have timed my deflect sooner. I could have blocked 2 sword hits instead of 1. Or maybe if I had just committed with Lucio.
Stand with me.
Oh, yeah.
Wendigo with him.
Gonna make you feel better.
Oh, I should have deflected for. He still would have killed me with dash damage. Never mind. I did take off on Kappa's health. I should have ran forward towards that and deflected. I'm so bad. If I did a left click, I got double headshot. I would have killed him. Also, if I held the E more, it would have been fucking. God. We lose. I should have won that 1v1. Or deflected the black hole. One of those two.
First round lost. Score 0-1.
Alright. How do we stop an aimbotting Zarya? I mean, playing Genji and killing his whole team's a good strat. But I feel like there's gotta be something better.
I do not trust this only, and I do not like this place.
I don't know what I was expecting when I talked to him in English, though.
Round 2. Capture the objective.
Oh, yeah!